You've just received your VOC DOC Nebuliser, so what are you waiting for? Get it open! Inside the handy travel case, you'll find the nebulizer device, a detachable mouthpiece, a large and a small face mask, a charger cable, the instruction manual and the user guide. The device has a built-in lithium-ion rechargeable battery and will have some charge when you first receive it. However, we'd suggest popping in the charger cable and leaving it to charge fully before your first use. Once fully charged, you can attach the mouthpiece or the face mask depending on your personal preference, and both are super easy to install. Inside the mouthpiece, you'll notice a number of raised notches. These notches allow the mouthpiece to fix firmly onto the device. Gently press the mouthpiece onto the device until you meet resistance from those raised notches. When installing it for the first time, the materials can be a little stiff, so please take care not to use too much force or to push it too far onto the device, because both will result in damage. You're almost ready to go. Turn the top anti-clockwise to remove it. Take your vial of 0.9% isotonic saline solution that is suitable for inhalation. Empty the contents into the reservoir and then replace the lid and secure it by turning it clockwise. Then all you've got left to do is click the on button. Sit back, relax and breathe normally.